Yo, what's up? Ricky Sanders here. If you live for fast cars, greasy hands, and solving problems under the hood, welcome to your new favourite spot. I'm all about real fixes, no BS, and showing you how to keep your ride running like a champ. So go ahead, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's make some noise in the garage. Enough talk, let's get wrenching.
Engineers and designers of the company Mitsubishi developed several different power units, but the Mitsubishi 4G63 engine became the most popular. Later, several more of its modifications were produced for different models of cars of this company. The first 4G63 engine was produced in 1981, but its production continues nowadays, though some changes are periodically made in its design. Now it is time to consider its characteristics. Technical data of the motor. Motors of this family are a 4-cylinder power unit, for the manufacture of which cast iron is used. For the manufacture of the cylinder head to this block, aluminum was needed, which made it possible to ensure the ability to resist engine overheating. Characteristics, as well as high reliability of 4G63 contribute to the wide use on a wide variety of car models. Mitsubishi engines of 4G63 series are produced with a working volume of 2000 cm3, which allowed to obtain power in the range of 109 to 144 horsepower. The engine is made on the basis of 4G63 ATMO, can be equipped with 4G63 timing gear with various intake and exhaust systems. The engine 4G63 SOHC, as well as with the DONC system, can be equipped with one, and in some cases 2 camshafts. At first, the 4G63 SOHC engine was equipped with 2 valves per cylinder. Later there were modifications, which have 4 valves. This innovation was able to slightly raise the power output of 4G63 engines. Let's take a closer look at the technical characteristics of these engines. Period of production, from 1981 to the present. Weight of the product, 160 kg. The block is made of cast iron. The fuel used is gasoline with an octane number of 95. Power system, carburetor or injector. Pistons have a diameter of 85 mm with a stroke of 88 mm. Complies with environmental parameters Euro 4. Motor resource, according to the manufacturers, is equal to 200,000 km of mileage. In fact, 4G63 engines practically run for 400,000 km and more. Fuel consumption averages approximately 7 liters per 100 km driven. Oil is consumed in the amount of 1 liter per 1,000 km. The lubrication system has a volume of 4 liters, and semi-synthetics of the type from 0W40 to 15W50 are used. The instruction manual recommends its replacement after 10,000 km of mileage, but when using the machine in extreme conditions, the mileage is reduced to about 7,000 km. Tip: the manufacturer recommends using semi-synthetics. If there is a need to switch to mineral or synthetic, thoroughly flush the engine lubrication system. A little about other features of the motor. It should be noted the fact that in order to reduce the vibration of the 4G63 power unit, in its design there are 2 shafts for balancing, which work in counterphase. Vibration is absent throughout the entire speed range of the 4G63 engine. The engine for the Mitsubishi 4G63 is designed in such a way that the installation can be done either along or across the axis of the machine. This means that equally freely they are installed on small autos for the city, as well as on full-size large cars. As mentioned earlier, the 4G63T engine can be powered by several systems: carburetor installation, mono-injection, injector. The use of this or that power supply system does not affect the high reliability and durability of the motors of this series. Increasing environmental requirements, work to reduce fuel consumption, improving power performance led designers to the idea of using electronic engine management, electric injectors. They managed to slightly smooth the curve on the power graph, and this made it possible to get good traction at low speeds. Powertrain modifications. Soon after the launch of the main model of the motor, the 4G63T engine appeared. It was a turbocharged engine. The cylinder head of 4G63 had 12 valves in its design. This allowed to get a power of about 300 horsepower, but the design of the turbine was imperfect. Because of this, engine was not widely used, except for sports modifications. After 1986, a new modification, 4G63, was presented. The novelty in this design was that in the 4G63 timing mechanism there was a DONC system, which also allowed to slightly improve the power of the power unit. After 1993, another modification of the engine was presented. Engines for Mitsubishi 4G63 began to be produced with a new flywheel. It was attached to the crankshaft on 7 bolts. The intake system was modernized. There was an injector, electronic engine management. In approximately this modification, its production continues until now. High reliability, the ability to perform tuning or repair is highly appreciated by buyers. A few words about the problems of the motor specialists. Note the facts of failure of balancer shafts. This can happen due to insufficient lubrication of their bearings. Shafts jam, which entails the breakage of the timing belt, the consequences of which result in a large amount of money for repair. Valve adjustment in this case will not help. Tip: use quality engine oil from world manufacturers and change it in time. After a long period of operation, as well as when using the machine in extreme conditions, problems with the left engine cushion may appear, resulting in vibration of the power unit. If there are floating idle speeds, poorly or even not at all start the engine in frost, the problem should be sought in the power supply system, injectors, motor sensors, the regulator. Checking with subsequent cleaning, washing almost always eliminate the problems. It becomes easier to start after such procedures. The use of engine lubricants of unknown manufacturers with low quality except for problems with balancer shafts significantly reduces the service life of hydrocompensators of the engine cylinder head. What you should know about tuning. In conclusion, the Mitsubishi 4G63 engine stands as a testament to engineering excellence, blending performance and reliability in a compact package. Its versatility has made it a favorite among enthusiasts and tuners alike, powering a range of vehicles from the iconic Mitsubishi Eclipse to various rally cars. Whether you're drawn to its turbocharged power or its potential for modification, the 4G63 continues to leave a lasting legacy in the automotive world. Thank you for watching, and we hope you gained valuable insights into this remarkable engine.